Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, I've got a story that truly shocked me. A tale of family secrets, betrayal, and a truly unbelievable wedding day. You know those moments when life throws a curveball so wild you can barely believe it? Well, this is one of them. So, picture this. A wedding day, usually a joyous occasion, right? But for me, it was a day filled with confusion because, well, I wasn't invited to my own sister's wedding. Yeah, you heard that right. My sister, getting married, and I, her sibling, was completely left out of the loop. It stung, naturally. I tried to make sense of it, wondering what I could have possibly done to warrant such a cold shoulder. Then, things took an even stranger turn. The internet, as it often does, started buzzing with a viral video. And guess whose wedding it was? Yep, my sister's. But this wasn't a video of happy tears or romantic vows. No, this was footage that sent shockwaves through the entire family, and indeed, across the globe. It showed the groom, in the middle of the ceremony, actually slapping my sister. Can you imagine the horror? The sheer disbelief watching something so awful unfold on what should have been her happiest day? It was heartbreaking, and honestly, terrifying to witness. My mind was reeling. Not invited. Then this shocking video surfaces. What was going on? I reached out, of course, needing answers, needing to understand. But the answers I got, or rather didn't get, only deepened the mystery. I felt a mix of anger, sadness, and a growing sense of unease about my family dynamics. And just when I thought it couldn't get any wilder, the true bombshell dropped. This is where things get truly personal and incredibly difficult to talk about. It turns out I wasn't just uninvited. I was actually unwittingly funding this entire disastrous wedding. Yes, you heard that correctly. I discovered that my own parents had taken out a secret loan, in my name, without my knowledge or consent, to pay for the wedding. My jaw literally dropped when I found out. A secret loan, forged in my name, to pay for a wedding I wasn't even allowed to attend. The betrayal felt monumental. It wasn't just about the money, though that was a huge issue. It was about the complete disregard for my trust, my financial future, and my identity. It was a violation that cut deeper than any uninvitation ever could. This wasn't just a simple misunderstanding. This was a deliberate act of deception by the very people I was supposed to be able to trust implicitly. It completely shattered my perception of my family. It forced me to confront a reality where the boundaries I thought existed were completely non-existent. This revelation, as painful as it was, became a turning point. It made me realize that I couldn't just stand by and let these kinds of manipulations continue. It sparked a much-needed, albeit incredibly difficult reckoning within our family. We had to sit down, truly talk, and unpack years of unspoken expectations, broken trust, and deeply rooted issues. It was an uncomfortable, tearful, and sometimes angry process, but it was absolutely necessary. It's been a long journey since then, filled with challenging conversations and tough decisions. But ultimately, this chaotic wedding, this viral video, and this deep betrayal led to a much-needed push for honesty and healing within my family. It's a powerful reminder that sometimes the most painful truths are the ones that finally set us free to build healthier relationships. Thank you so much for listening to my story today. If you found this tale of drama and resilience impactful, please hit that like button, subscribe to the channel for more, and let me know in the comments if you've ever had to navigate difficult family situations. Your support means the world.